everyone, it's Jess and I'm back with another scrapbook video for you all today. This one was made using, oh my goodness, I'm sorry, I filmed like 4 of these videos voiceovers today. Alright, let's start again. This layout was made using supplies from the Hip Kit Club December kit. That background paper is an exclusive paper to the kit, and I'm really sorry, but I can't remember what the other papers are from. The stripe paper is definitely crepe paper, and I think that pink paper might also be as well. This is a picture from my husband's our trip to Scotland. We went to Scotland in August of 2017. This is a picture from a beautiful, beautiful beach on the northern coast of Scotland. I think it's the northern coast, but it's towards the west of the northern coast. It's not on the west coast of Scotland, but it's in that direction. So I actually didn't know the name of this beach, so I asked my friends on Facebook, can anyone tell me the name of this beach in Scotland, please? Because I do have family that lives in Scotland, so I thought somebody might know the answer. Ironically enough, the person who knew the answer was somebody who lives in Canada and I used to work with, so that worked well. I cut the title for this layout from my Silhouette Cameo 3. I did get the Cameo 3 for Christmas this year, and you can see it there at the bottom of the layout. As you can see by the many letters and vowels, that is why I cut it from the Silhouette, and I didn't try to spell it out using letter stickers, because there's a lot of letters in that name, particularly N's. There are 4 N's in that name, and I'm very sorry, but I cannot pronounce it for you. I'm sure I could try, and I'm sure it would be wrong. So here I am, sorting out all these really, really lovely little stitched stars from Pink Fresh Studio, and then I don't use any of them. I had them out, I had them there, and I really like them, but then I end up not using them. I don't know why. And I am messaging people, oh, extreme cold warning. Yeah, that was not nice here. My phone was binging at me, so that's why. We had an extreme cold warning issued where we live in Canada, in Ontario. So that was not fun, but we survived, and right now it's raining. January 22nd, and it is raining, so you never know what you're gonna get here. So I'm going to do my journaling on that little tag, and I'm going to skip my journaling. I cut it out because this video was kind of long, so I did cut out some bits and I got it down to under 10 minutes. So I thought that was good. And these cork shapes came in the Crepe Paper Good Vibes ephemera package, but they gave you 4. I was like, what am I going to do with 4 stars? Because I used 3 stars, and then I just have 1 random cork star left over, so I don't know. And here I'm trying to find some washi tape that will match this layout. And then I think I really wanted a navy washi tape, but I don't have a navy washi tape. But I did have this kind of like periwinkle blue colored washi tape, and I think that's from a Doodlebug washi tape tube. So that matched really well to the background paper, so I thought I would use it. That arrow tag, I guess it's a tag, came from the Crepe Paper ephemera package as well. I'm really sorry, I don't know where that other tag went that came from that says make every day count. I don't know if that was in the ephemera package or if that was something I cut out from a pattern paper. And that piece of rose floral pattern paper up at the top, that was just a scrap I had lying on my desk, and I thought that the tones worked well with this layout. And on top of that, it brings like a slightly whiter tone into it, because I am mixing white and cream tones on this layout with the white at the bottom, the title was cut from white cardstock. So I wanted to balance that out somewhere else on the layout. So it looked like, I did intend on doing this. And I'm just stamping some phrase stamps with some Hero Arts chalk ink. This is a new to me product. I don't know if it's been out for a while. I got it not too long ago from Simon Says Stamp, and I really like it. I like the finish that it has. It's bold but somehow soft. I don't know how to explain it better than that. I'm sorry. I know that makes no sense. That little heart that you can see, the pink heart up at the top of the page under the cork star, is from the Vicky Bouton paper clips that came in the kit. They're kind of like a plastic type material. They're definitely coated with something that makes it not paper. I don't know if it is actually plastic or not, but they are pretty neat, I must say. I cut the heart off of the paper clip though to use up there in the embellishment cluster. This is a Technique Tuesday stamp set, I believe. I'm sorry, I think it's called like something geotag, fill in geotag or something like that. But I just wanted the little piece, and I stamped it on the back of an ephemera piece that I knew I wasn't going to use, and that way I would get the same white, like off-white toned, right beside the white of the title. Here I'm trying to use my multi-matte medium that I bought recently from Simon Says Stamp. I'm sorry if you heard that crash. That was one of my dogs ran into something and it scared him. So I just had to make the bottle work. I'm not very good with it yet. I don't know. It doesn't really seem to want to come out of the bottle for me. I don't know if I did something wrong or what happened, but you can actually see here that I have like the piece that comes off the top, the little gray piece. I had it off when it wasn't supposed to be off, so I will get better with it, I promise. So here I'm just adding that little circle piece says swim, and that's from an older crepe paper collection. It was from their like weekend palm tree collection. I'm sorry, I forget what it's called. So if you do know the name of it, you can comment it down below. And I'm going to add some gold Heidi Swap Color Shine into this. And I realized after that I dripped a big splotch right over top of my stamping. And I try to fix it, but it's too late. I should have just left it and let it dry. It would have been better. I'm going... Sorry, I just ate some almonds. And I think one of the pieces is stuck in my throat still. So I did slow down the video here for you to show you the close-ups at the end instead of having them sped up. Hopefully this is something that you all like and it's something that is useful to you. And I will continue to do that. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.